All right, so these were sent to me to try out. These are liver detox gummies, and they do have milk thistle and dandelion extract. Already see that it's non-GMO. So these were interesting to me because I have a lot of digestive issues, and it says it supports digestive enzymes, and these are supposed to taste like apple. So this is what they look like. You take 2 of these a day, usually with your meals. It's soft. All right, so let's try this. Definitely tastes like apple. It's soft. It is gummy form. It tastes like candy, which means that this is going to be easier for me to take on a daily. You take 2 a day, like I said, and I don't like taking pills, so I definitely see that this is geared towards people who doesn't like to take capsules because it's just easier to chew and swallow. There is 6 vegan gummies in 1 bottle, so this would last you a whole month. I'd have to give you an update on how this makes me feel after 30 days, but I do like that it has milk thistle, dandelion. It also has artichoke extract in it, which is all the ingredients that most people are looking for when they are looking to support their liver. I like the fact that it doesn't have an aftertaste. I can see people who just came back from a vacation, they're feeling kind of sluggish and they just need a support supplement to help them reset. I can see people like those taking something like this. Or anyone who would like to add a supplement to their wellness routine that already has the ingredients that support the liver. Obviously, this isn't one of those things where you take one and you overall feel healthy. I would say this is something that you would have to take consistently to gain the benefits from. So if you're looking for a supplement that supports your liver, your digestion, easy to take, and it's easy to implement in your routine because it's not a capsule, it's a gummy and tastes great, you should definitely check this one out.